Introduction. Few things are as frustrating as stepping into a weak, dribbling shower stream. Low water pressure can hinder your bathing experience and make it difficult to rinse off soap or shampoo effectively. Luckily, there are several simple and effective tips you can follow to increase the water pressure in your shower. In this article, we will explore these tips to help you achieve a revitalizing and satisfying shower experience. Clean and descale the showerhead. Mineral deposits and sediment buildup can accumulate in the tiny nozzles of your showerhead, restricting water flow and leading to reduced pressure. Remove the showerhead and soak it in a descaling solution or vinegar to dissolve these deposits. Use an old toothbrush to gently scrub away any remaining residue. Rinse the showerhead thoroughly before reattaching it. Remove flow restrictors. Many modern showerheads come equipped with flow restrictors to conserve water. While these devices are environmentally friendly, they can contribute to low water pressure. Check your showerhead for a flow restrictor and remove it according to the manufacturer's instructions. However, be mindful of local water regulations and restrictions. Check for plumbing leaks. Hidden leaks in your plumbing system can significantly impact water pressure. Inspect your pipes for any signs of leaks, such as dampness, water stains, or mold growth. If you notice any leaks, have them repaired by a professional plumber to restore water pressure. Examine pressure regulating valves. Pressure regulating valves are installed in some homes to control water pressure. However, they can sometimes become misadjusted, leading to decreased pressure in your shower. Locate the pressure regulating valve and ensure it is fully open. If necessary, consult a plumber to adjust it to an appropriate level. Evaluate supply line diameter. Narrow supply lines can restrict water flow and result in low pressure. If your home has older plumbing, consider having a plumber inspect the supply lines and replace them with wider pipes. This upgrade can significantly improve water pressure throughout your house, including the shower. Install a high-pressure showerhead. Investing in a high-pressure showerhead is an excellent solution if other methods fail to provide the desired water pressure. These specialized showerheads are designed to optimize water flow and pressure, offering a more invigorating shower experience. Look for showerheads with adjustable settings and specialized nozzles to enhance water pressure. Consult a professional plumber. If you've exhausted all the DIY methods and are still experiencing low water pressure, it's advisable to seek assistance from a licensed plumber. Plumbers have the expertise and tools to diagnose the underlying issue accurately. They can identify any significant plumbing problems and suggest appropriate solutions tailored to your specific situation. Enjoying a rejuvenating shower experience relies on adequate water pressure. By following these tips, you can increase the water pressure in your shower and transform your daily routine into a refreshing and satisfying escape. From cleaning the showerhead to removing flow restrictors, inspecting for leaks, and considering plumbing upgrades, there are various options to explore. Don't hesitate to seek professional assistance when needed, as a licensed plumber can provide valuable insights and solutions to maximize your water pressure. Embrace these tips and look forward to invigorating showers that leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized.